we are going
Okay.
to learn the next lesson. It will start with the Surah Quraysh.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Li'ilafi Quraysh.
Ili fa'ikurafaish.
Listen. Li'ilafi
Li ilafi
Quraysh.
uraish.
Ilafihim
Ilafihim
rihlatash
latash.
rihlatash shita'i
Rihlatash shitashin.
shita'i
Shitain
wasayf.
wasraif.
Good. Again. Li'ilafi
Liilafi
li'ilafi
liilafi
Quraysh
uraish.
ilafihim
Ilafihim
rihlatash shita'i
rihlatash lisha
shita'i
ritai
rihlatash shita'i
rihlatash latash
latash shita'i
shidain
wasayf
wasraif
wasayf
wasraif
wasayf Sod.
wasaif
Yes, wasayf.
wasaif
At the end of this word there is fa letter. wasayf
wasaif
rihlatash shita'i
latash shitai
wasayf.
wasraif
No, it's there is not any raw. Wasayf.
wasaif.
Okay. Okay, so this is your lesson for tomorrow, and it is enough for today's class. We will meet tomorrow with the next lesson. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.